Hi everyone! Our ice cream shop is back and ready to serve you all. We'll make an ice cream pop with this blue mold. Blue! To make the strawberry flavor, I'll use pink Play-Doh. Pink. Let's put it into the mold. Then add the stick. Now close the mold and press it firmly. The ice cream has taken shape. A smooth and creamy strawberry ice cream pop is ready. Let's place it here and move on to this pink ice cream mold. Pink. This time, I'll use blue Play-Doh. Blue! This orange Play-Doh looks amazing! Look at it! It's so funny and cute! The mold is full now. Don't forget the popsicle stick! Now close the mold and press it. Are you ready to see the result? This popsicle is a delicious and refreshing combination of orange and blueberry flavors. I just found this pink ice cream mold. We have lots of colorful Play-Doh. I'll choose the turquoise one. Turquoise. After filling the mold with Play-Doh, we'll close it and press firmly. We're almost done. Don't forget the popsicle stick. Remove the extra Play-Doh and open the mold. This popsicle is lemon flavored. Wait, we still have the lime green mold left. Lime green. We'll use yellow Play-Doh for the banana flavor. This light purple Play-Doh looks perfect. We need a stick. What's the next step? That's right, press the mold. Open it up and remove the extra Play-Doh. One, 2, 3, and 4. Goodbye and see you next time.